Welcome. If you've been getting constant manual upload notifications from Dropbox showing up on your lock screen and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to hide those manual upload notifications from your phone's lock screen. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it in just a few taps. First, grab your phone and open your Settings app. This is where all your app notification controls live, so it's the perfect starting point. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Apps. Tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. From here, find and tap on Dropbox. This will take you straight to the settings specific to the Dropbox app. Once you're inside the Dropbox app settings, look for Notifications. Tap on it to manage how Dropbox sends you alerts and updates. Inside Notifications, you'll see a list of notification categories. These categories break down the different types of notifications Dropbox can send. Find the one named Manual Uploads, which is responsible for the notifications you want to control. Tap on Manual Uploads to see its individual notification settings. Here you can adjust everything about how these notifications behave. The key step is finding the option related to the lock screen. Tap on Lock Screen and then select Don't Show Notifications. This setting ensures any manual upload notifications from Dropbox will no longer appear on your lock screen, keeping things neat and quiet. By doing this, you still get important Dropbox updates when you unlock your phone, but your lock screen stays free of those specific manual upload alerts. It's a great way to reduce clutter without missing out on essential notifications once you're actively using your device. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken full control over how Dropbox notifications appear, creating a smoother, less distracting phone experience. Try it out now and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with fewer interruptions on your lock screen. Thanks for watching.